the challenge in Hungary that there are a relatively big amount of structural fund available for them, and it's very local oriented, and they are not forced to do international relations, and they are not active enough on Horizon and other kind of European programs. And we would like to use this opportunity to exploit further possibilities for them for getting connected internationally. I think we have a very bipolar economy. We have very advanced large companies and very less advanced small companies. And we have a shortage of medium-sized companies. And why these programs are essential is that it enables the smaller ones to create more value and grow into that missing segment of the middle-sized company.
This is the future. If SMEs want to reorganize their manufacturing, if they want to reorganize how to produce less waste, if they want to step into Industry 4.0, they have no other option.
I think this is the most important benefit of this project. So, supporting SMEs in the digital transition by accessing them to innovative technologies.